Historic buildings are traces left by our ancestors. We admire their grandeur and delicate craftsmanship. Yet time, wind and rain, and natural disasters continue to erode these remnants of history. From the large-scale restoration of Notre Dame Cathedral to the preservation of historic structures around the world, people are grappling with the same question: how can these ancient buildings be carried into the future?
These are the sounds often heard at restoration sites. In Quanzhou's ancient city, restoration is never the only sound. This is Quanzhou. In the city center, there is a historic district covering about 6.41 square kilometers, and even today, more than 200,000 people still live there, which means one thing: when the ancient city is being restored, everyday life can just simply stop. Here, many projects follow one principle: keep the old appearance while bringing new life back to the space.
这栋是我们台魁巷7号的粘式故居，始建于清代，为闽南的传统2进3开间的古大厝。2017年开启了这栋建筑的一个以修代租，当时整个屋面存在了很多的坍塌，还有我们的木结构遭朽得非常严重。你像我们这些旧石板，至今应该有200多年的一个历史了。原来的这个会积水，那我们重新给它搬起来，重新归安，再按原状给它修缮下去。
房屋有哪些是保留下来的细节？
那我们可以进去里面看一下我们的
好呀，
这一堵夯土墙。
好呀，
它就保留得非常好。
这一堵墙，
对，这都就是我们传统的夯土墙啊，有砖、石，还有土、黄土加糯米，这个墙就保留得非常的完好，至今应该有200-300年的一个历史，也是清代的，也是清代保留到现在了。那当时我们有在考虑，这堵土墙要如何保留。那我们保留的话如果柱子太靠墙体，就会把这个土墙的这个结构给破坏掉了。那我们当时柱子就给它外退。那又想说光线这个采光的问题，我们上面就没做上去，做了一个玻璃，实现了一些保护、传承，还有一个创新。
您刚才也有提到一个词，叫做以修代租。
对。
那这个是什么意思呢？
古城里面的这些古大厝啊，包括洋楼的这个修缮的一个难点。最主要是房屋的一个产权比较分散，业主是无法承担这么高的一个修缮费用。那我们统筹协调下，就想到了一个很好的一个解决办法，就是通过国企，来承担这个房屋的一个修缮费用，换取这个房屋的一定时间的一个使用权。比如像我们这栋故居，现在就做一个闽台文化的一个展示馆，通过整个古城的环境整治来改善民生环境，改善民生环境的同时，就会把原住民给留下来，同时我们可以吸引一些新古城人，他们在我们古城做文创空间、餐饮或者是民宿，这样既保护了我们的一个古建筑，又让古城有了个活态化的一个利用。
Such restorations are not isolated cases. Across this 6.41 square kilometer ancient city, repair and preservation have been ongoing for decades.
When restoration is no longer just about repairing buildings, it also becomes about sustaining culture. Take Spain's Sagrada Familia, still under construction today, where the building itself is part of a living cultural legacy.
In the ancient city of Quanzhou, more and more traditional cultural practices are coming back to life. Young people put on hairpin flowers and take photos for social media, and the centuries-old puppet shows are once again performed on stage. Traditions that once belonged to the past are now becoming part of the city's new scenery.
I went to the temple just here. Very beautiful place, very historical. Yeah, of course, in Belgium we have more churches, but here, China has so many Buddhist temple, Confucius temple, and it's very interesting to see the mix of architecture here. There is a lot of balance, I think, between the different type of architecture, and for me it's really interesting to see that, because we're not used to that in Belgium, so it's very interesting to see. So also so many people visiting, I think.
From preservation to revitalization, from inheritance to innovation, Quanzhou Ancient City has been exploring a distinctive path of urban renewal.
In recent years, with Zhongshan Road as its central axis, the city has carried out systematic planning, designating 9 exhibition zones and 8 construction sections. It has advanced the restoration of 173 traditional streets and alleys in a coordinated manner, enhanced the density of the core road network, and seamlessly integrated modern infrastructure, such as smart street lighting and 5G base stations, into its historic urban fabric. Here, preservation is not an end in itself, but the starting point for a better life. As you stroll through the streets and alleys, you can not only experience 1,000 years of cultural heritage, but also feel the vibrant pulse of a new era. Perhaps the most vivid expression of what a high-quality life truly means.